name is Nam and welcome to the iHeartRhythm self-hookup training video. Today I'll be teaching you how to put a Holter monitor on. By now you probably received the Canada Post package with the Holter monitor in, so let's go together and I will teach you how to prep and put this Holter monitor on. This Holter package contains a silver box in which there is of course the Holter monitor, which is attached to 3 cords. It also contains a lanyard, alcohol pad, a scratch pad, electrodes, the Holter diary, instruction sheet, and the prepaid envelope in which you will mail this back to us using Canada Post. I'm going to start off by opening this alcohol pad and cleaning the surface of the skin where the electrodes will go. And for males, if you do have excess hair, go ahead and take a safety razor and you can shave the areas. I'll also be using a scratch pad. This is just to get a good contact with the skin and a better quality recording. Okay, so next we'll take our electrode pack that looks like this, and all you need is 3 stickers. So you're gonna grab these 3, and we'll also be grabbing our Holter monitor. We're gonna start off by placing the leads into our electrodes as such, just like that. It is important to note that the colors do matter and where they go on our body. Let's start off with the white one. We're going to peel and place it on the right side of our shoulder as such. Next, we'll take our black one. We're going to peel and place it on the left side of our shoulder as such. Lastly, we'll take our red one and peel and place it on the left side underneath the rib cage as such. So now we'll turn on the Holter monitor. I'm gonna go ahead and press down this press button for at least 30 seconds until I start to notice a green blinking light. Once you see that green blinking light, that means that the monitor is working. If you start noticing an orange or red blinking light, that means that the monitor is not working. Give us a call, we'll try to help you out. Over the event you're wearing this Holter monitor, if you notice any symptoms, go ahead and press the press button. This will save and record your symptoms. We do advise you to take a sponge bath if you can. However, if you do need to shower or bathe, go ahead and remove the Holter monitor. Do not shower with it on. And simply re-watch this video or read the instructions on how to put this monitor back on. If you worn the monitor for a specified time, go ahead and remove it and just throw away the old stickers. Go ahead and detach this lanyard from the Holter and simply place this Holter monitor back in our silver box. Okay, along with our lanyard and the yellow diary. Please put all the containments back in the Ziploc baggie as such. Lastly, place the Ziploc baggie in the prepaid envelope given to you by iHeartRhythm, just like that. And go ahead and drop this package off at any Canada Post location near you. Thank you for watching.